Photo versus Canva. Which graphic design tool wins? Hey designers and content creators, are you for team Photo or are you team Canva? In 2024, both tools got major upgrades, but which one is right for you? Let's break it down in a few seconds. When it comes to ease of use, Photo now in 2025 is simple but has fewer templates, while Canva is super intuitive and has drag and drop. When it comes to templates, Photo is good for quick edits, and Canva has about 500k plus pro templates. Don't forget that Photo has fewer templates too compared to Canva. When it comes to AI tools, Photo has AI photo enhancer and background remover, while Canva has magic edits, AI video, and doc. It's kind of like a tie. They both have great AI tools. When it comes to pricing, Photo has free plan and a pro plan that costs about $8.99 per month, while Canva has a free plan and a pro plan that costs about $12.99 per month. So we can see that Canva is kind of pricier. When it comes to collaboration, Photo is for basic sharing, while Canva has real-time team editing. So Canva definitely wins around. And last, let's look at their export quality. Photo allows you to export high-resolution downloads, while Canva has 4K and brand kits. Canva wins. So after examining everything, in conclusion, I would say the Photo is great for quick photo edits on a budget, but Canva dominates with templates, teamwork, and AI magic. So if you need pro designs, Canva. Just photo tweaks, Photo. So which one are you going to pick? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech showdowns. See you in the next video.